जी अभी कॉन्सर्ट से बाहर आए हैं आतिफ असलम के कॉन्सर्ट से, तो अभी पूछते हैं यहाँ पे इन लोगों का कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था। पहले अपना नाम बताइए, का नाम क्या है?
Aditi,
Shivani,
Chaitrali,
And where you guys from?
India.
India.
Oh, okay. How was the concert here? It was your first time with Atif Aslam or have you been
It
here before?
was our first time.
It was our first time.
कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका?
बहुत ही बढ़िया, बहुत phenomenal. We waited for this for 2 years now because I don't know if you guys remember, but he was supposed to come 2 years ago, but because of some visa issues, the concert got cancelled.
Oh, I don't
हम-
know about the much information about the cancelled
हम-
one.
We had booked tickets, but it got cancelled, and then we have been waiting for 2 years, so it was
wow, wow.
phenomenal. Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. How about you? You were waiting too?
I wasn't waiting really, but I had a great time.
Oh, okay, that's good. Which one is your favorite song of Atif Aslam?
Well, I liked that he played Hona Tha Pyar.
Okay.
ताजदार हरम.
Yeah, Tajdar Hiram for sure.
Okay, that's good. So I'm going to ask you a few questions about Atif Aslam. Do you know his date of birth?
No.
Okay. Do you know which city he was born in?
Lahore?
Close to Lahore?
Not Lahore?
Huh?
I
Not Lahore, but
have
it's
no
close to
clue.
Lahore.
I have no clue.
Okay,
Which
that's
city is
fine.
it?
Huh?
Which city is it?
Gujranwala.
Oh,
Yeah, it was.
yesterday we were talking about Gujranwala.
Yeah, he was born in Gujranwala. Do you know his wife's name?
I wouldn't know. I wouldn't Shivani.
That is not something I would like to know, but I
No,
don't
but the fans do usually sometimes they have some
Wait,
information.
they
No,
have-
most of them don't know, but some of the people they do know.
know. We don't.
नहीं.
Okay, that's fine. That's perfectly fine.
What's
One
her
last. Huh? Sorry.
What's her name?
Sarah.
Sarah.
Sarah, but yeah. So one last thing I want you to sing one Atif Aslam song. Anyone, just few lines. You don't have to do the whole song. Like, just whatever you can sing.
होना था प्यार हुआ मेरे यार
होना था प्यार हुआ मेरे यार.
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's amazing. Thank you so much, guys.